Good morning, everyone. I'm in a jungle. This is my toilet for today. Can you show your house?
Let's go.
You're taking a bath here, but around going people. It's very cold water here. Our breakfast is bread and bread. It's really good here. Room tour.
Room tour?
Room tour.
Yeah, there's like small balcony.
Small balcony. Wow. Who is it? We have pet around 4 meters on the ground.
Oh, jackfruit.
Where?
This.
Jackfruit?
Yeah, jackfruit tree.
We are sleeping today in the jungle.
What? Ah, you're sleeping?
Sleeper fall down. Wow.
Yeah, it's changed already. It's really sleepy there.
This is our house for today. Native house on the tree.
Bamboo.
Oh, thank you. Special holder. Good morning, everyone. I'm in a jungle. This is my toilet for today. Very high humidity. It's my shirt and my clothes wet. It's normal here. It was rain nighttime. Here in jungle, you need to be extra careful because here a lot of scorpions, a lot of snakes. I saw 2 times scorpions. Even little snake or little scorpion, they're very dangerous. This is our room for today. Did you take a bath? Yeah. When? No. Yeah. This is our room. We slept here.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, you need to take a bath, right? First? Yeah, you need
Now?
to bring that.
Our breakfast is bread and bread. If you wanna take a bath here, you need to go around 200 meters downside. high different from bathroom and house. Around 36 meters. It's like nine levels building. This is the bathroom. You can use this for water. I don't know how it's called. This is ordinary bathroom in Philippines. It's very cold water here. Water really fresh, really cold. You're taking a bath here, but around going people, chicken, and somewhere maybe scorpions. I saw here scorpion, little. It's really good here. This is our air conditioner and wind out from outside coming inside of room.
Earlobes.
Wow.
Need to go there.
Next station,
Lobok River.
Labok River
Man-made
forest and
Hollywood. Then
Hollywood. No, it's Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Actually, it's Sheila's house. Here lives her parents. And people in Philippines mostly live very poor. Because no job, no money. Can you show the house?
Yeah. Let's go.
Here they preparing firewoods.
For selling.
It's simple house in the Philippines. Everything very simple. Benches, chairs. Often it's just from wood. It's not soft.
Oh, baby, what?
Oh. Are you ready?
Yeah. Need to go.
Go.
Bye.
Go.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow